What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday is based on the 1980 Dodge Ramcharger by Revell. So let's open the box. Actually, let's go on the box, see what's in the box, then open the box, see what's in the box, and tell you a bit more detail later on. Alright, so first up, we're going to look at these decals, and they seem pretty good. You got gauge clusters, and you got some, stripings if you choose so for the side of your truck. And you got, your blinkers, indicator lights, whatever you guys want to call them. Let's put it in 4x4 Dodge. That's pretty coul. And while we're at it, let's look at the clear parts. So you get your main side glass and windshield. Very nice. Your indicator lights for the grill, your main headlights, and this model has a sunroof, which is actually pretty cool. Just tint that right out and you're good to go. Alright, next up, chrome time. So this is some nice chrome. You get your back and rear bumper, your wheels are pretty decent, and your license plate brackets, and your shifters for the 4-wheel drive and neutral and reverse, mirrors, and your nice big GMC grill. Nice black wash. I'll bring that right out, or if you so choose. So you can cut each one of those rectangles out, but black wash would do the trick. Very nice. Alright, one big bag of white motor parts. So this one has your hood, your spare tire mount, and you got a gas tank, which is actually pretty cool. And you got some decent underside hood detail. Okay. This one has your nice seats. Here's your back seat. And these are some big old front seats. Holy cow, they're huge. You get your radiator and your water pump and your valve covers, headers, steering wheel, fan, transfer case, that's pretty cool, engine, lots of pulleys, and sway bars by the looks for suspension. Okay. This tree has your wheel backs, quite a bit flashing, but it's mostly on the tree itself, so that's not a big deal. And once you got a roll cage with some fire extinguishers, which is actually pretty cool. Suspension and your chassis with the motor and exhaust, which is not too bad. And the final tree has your front suspension, front axle, rear axle, and your filter. Part of your wheels with your back tailgate, I'm going to assume, dashboard, seat backs. Very nice. Alright, next up we've got some tires, and he's got your simple off-road tires, what Revell likes to do. These are on quite a bit of kits, I gotta say. They're pretty decent, no name, but they get the job done. Alright, next up, the last two things in the kit is, well, you get their big old interior bucket, which is actually pretty cool. You got a tree here full of flash, holy cow. But your back bed, your molded door panels, not too much detail, but who really cares, because you can't really see much in there. And it's in the console, and your pedals in there. So that looks good. And this is a sticker, which is good. It goes right off. It's a pretty decent interior bucket. And obviously the last thing in the kit is your big old, what is this, Dodge pickup. So here's your engine bay. There's a bunch of wires in there. Simple detail, but good enough. Body has some flashing here and there, but not a big deal. Your molded sunroof right there, which is actually pretty neat. And here's your back end. Other side, the panel lines, and they're shallow. Holy cow, that's very shallow. Kind of deep in those. And underside, not too much detail, just a bunch of pin marks. Overall, the body is not too bad. So after taking a very good look at this kit, I do recommend it. It's not the best kit out there, but if you're just looking for a nice, simple, easy weekend build, I think this kit will do it for you, because it's low parts count and, you know, detail. It's not really there, but there is some detail there. But overall, if you do want a quick, easy build, this should be a good kit. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, hope I catch you guys later. Bye for now.